Hello my dear brides. Today I want to speak about how can you place your online order for your wedding dress. I know that wedding day is the most important day in your life. This is every time the most important things we are getting ready by months, sometimes by years. So the dress you will be wearing, it is one of the most important parts of your wedding. Yes, we are taking care about the place where we make our wedding, we are taking care about some accessories, we are taking care about some invitations. But for us, the most important is what we will be wearing, how we will be looking like. So you will say how to place my order online without trying on dress. First of all, I want to suggest you to understand one thing: what kind of wedding you are going to make. What is the concept of your wedding? For example, is it a royal kind of wedding, or it is some wedding in seaside or inside some garden or forest? According to that, will be already much more easy to select the style you are going to wear. It is difficult to imagine some very puffy dress in seaside, for example. That's what I mean. The second step is for you to understand, do you want dress to be with some motifs of flowers, or it should be some more simple kind of dress? According to that, we will try to select the proper model for you. Okay, so we know the place we are going to make our wedding, and we know about the style of wedding dress. Rather it is a simple wedding dress, or it is dressed with some flower motifs or plenty of stones on top. The third step is to think about ourselves. What kind of body structure I have? For example, for tall girls, it is so many choices we can make. The dress can be a slim dress, the dress can be A-shape, even puffy dress if you are not going to wear high heels. But if you are not so tall, and if you are size 40 up, our choices are coming to more narrow. Because I will not recommend for girls with a size 40 up, 40 euro and higher dress too much puffy, because it will increase your general size. From far it will look like too big. I will recommend for you dress A-shape. It can be a slightly slim dress. This one all we will speak. I will ask from you your measurements. If you don't mind, I will ask a picture of you to see how do you look like, and according to my experience, I will be very happy to give some recommendation about the dress. For example, for size 40 and higher, I always recommend to use a corset, because you know now a fashion is dresses without corset, especially for some bohem style of wedding dress. They are so light, skirts are so light, it's like an airy dress. So if you have some small problems in your body structure, it is better to use a corset, because these corsets are magical. They can reduce your size maybe in 2 sizes less. When you are sharing your sizes, I want to know what kind of shoes you are going to wear. I want to know if you are dreaming about dress to be more puffy, or it should be just straight line, to understand which length of skirt we are going to make. But you need always to remember that anyway this is an online order, and anyway when you will receive dress, even you make it perfectly size by size, it may come out some small alterations. It is so much normal. You shouldn't be afraid of it. Yes, we are trying to make it the best way, but still, if you need to pick up a little bit from skirt length, there is no problem. Any tailor can make it well. Even there is some lace on the edges of your skirt, it is also no problem. Just you need to find a professional tailor. They are removing this lace, cutting off the skirt length, later putting lace back. So it is like one big job. the important part is don't get too much late with your order. When you're ordering your dress, always put some at least 3 weeks, 4 weeks before your wedding to have a time for these alterations may come out. What about the top part of your dress? Yes, we selected a style, or it is with kind of small sleeves, or it is open shoulders, or it is full strapless. For online orders, I will advise you to order your dress with a corset tied behind, so you can arrange it by tying up your dress from behind, so you can make it a little bit bigger or smaller. But nowadays all designers are making so beautiful back designs, so if you want to keep it as an original with zip, not to spoil this beautiful back design, it is also possible. And once you will send us correct measurements, we will try to make it one by one. In my experience, most of the brides who are receiving their dresses, I don't remember some hard cases somebody was going to their tailors and try to make it so much changes. So little, maybe a little bit here can be bigger, but it is not a problem. As I say, any tailor can arrange it. But most of my brides, once they are receiving dress, they always tell, wow, it is just sit on me, so they are just keeping their dress until wedding and wearing them in the wedding. So we received I received your measurements. We decided on your style, on your model. Most of the time I prefer not to make any changes on designs which I'm working with. I'm working with the best designers of the wedding field. So I'm always telling, once designer makes this dress in this way, with this lace, with this color or with this type of shape, it is the best can be, because this is designer, they feel a style, they feel a beauty, best of the best. But still, if you feel like this dress, you like it so much, but small details you should arrange according to your own taste or according to your maybe body structure, it is also possible. So once we fix all of these details, we are starting production. When your dress is ready, I'm taking you nice picture, nice video. You see how is the dress, you're accepting this dress. We are organizing your veil also. I'm trying to send veil together with the dress also. So you are getting full package. If needed, I am sending petticoat also together with the dress. So you don't need to run around and look for some extra things. Also, if you want to use some hair accessories, you can ask it from me. I will add it to the dress. So dress is ready, everything is ready. You like your dress by camera, you like everything. Now I am going to send this dress. We are packing dress because wedding dress is so big. We are trying to pack it as tidy as we can. We are putting in double layer of plastic bag. Later we are packing into another kind of bag inside, which you will be keeping inside your garderobe at home. We are putting it in the box and it is coming to you. Normally I'm using express cargo, so you are receiving dress as a rule in 1 week, maximum in 2 weeks. After you receive a dress, because it stays folded, maybe this, let's say 10 days, it is possible that you will need to iron this dress. You will ask, how can I iron this dress at my home? Most of the time you cannot. Rather you have steam iron in your house, so you can hang your dress and iron from far, or you need to bring this dress to dry cleaner. Most of the time they have this iron, steam irons, so they will be happy if you pay them, and they will be happy to iron your dress. It is maximum half-hour job. It is not a big problem. Also, nothing will happen with dress because we never using any kind of glue or silicone. Don't be afraid that if you put it inside under some steam, or if you wash it somewhere, that lace will come out or some stones will drop. Everything is hand job, everything is stitched one by one, so you can be sure that nothing will happen to your beautiful dress. So happy to see my brides pictures after their weddings. It is best step for me out of all of this game. Hope you enjoyed to watch this video. Hope you put your trust on me and let me Make the best dress for the happiest day of your life.